All right, it's early summer, the weather's great, seems like everybody's hitting the road to travel, so we're gonna talk about like some different options that we've got, because no matter if you're going out for the day, an overnight, a weekend trip, or even longer, Blue Ridge Overland Gear has got a bag for you. All right, we're gonna start with a ready pack. So this is designed to be a day pack, but not necessarily just like, you know, taking it to work or, you know, school or what have you. You got a day trip, you need room for like a camera, water bottle, a jacket, maybe some stuff you pick up along the way, it's great. But honestly, I think it's really good for just an overnight trip where you're gonna have one outfit to change into, you're gonna have some essentials. You got a pocket up here that is easy access, so travel documents, sunglasses, even a small camera. You got this really nice Fidlock hardware. It's magnetic. You can pull the flap back. You can still access the pack. That is especially handy if you have got, I'll open this up so you can see it, the EDC XL here. So we got our packing cube down below. Again, all this is Velcro compatible for organizers and pouches, but you can actually keep this pouch right here with all your essentials. Maybe this is living in a different bag on your desk, in your truck, but when you're traveling, you clip it in with these two carabiners, the Grimlocks. You've got tools, cords, all of that stuff at the top of your bag, easy access. And if you need more space, you just pop these out, pull it out, and you got way more room in the ready pack. And then if that's not enough capacity, we've actually got some options for like a water bottle pouch that will fit on the side or on the bottom if you want to go super high speed, easy access. And then on the back of this bag, because let's be honest, the coolest thing or the most important thing about any backpack is the shoulder straps. These are actually reinforced with self-locking buckles. It threads down through here so you can really adjust it. Down here you got a quick release. You've got spacer mesh on the back so it's nice and breathable, and even a spot to like clip in some stuff here on both of these. It is a super handy day pack or overnight pack for your summer adventures. All right, this is probably one of my most used bags. Matter of fact, at the house, we've got 3 or 4 of these, maybe 5, I don't know. A couple of them I've got kitted out for specific gear, like a fly fishing bag, boots, waders, dry boxes and stuff like that. Another one's cycling, but I use them a lot for just like weekend trips because I've got a place that I can get like reading materials, a laptop or a tablet in there, always rocking some cool patches up front. You've got really generous side pockets like liter Nalgene bottle, something similar fit in there. A shorter pocket on the back. You've got options for mounting stuff like our packing cubes or shoulder straps all the way around it. And then on the inside, a 12x12 packing cube fits really well. You can easily get 2 of those that are stuffed. 10x10, you could even get 3. And if you're using those, you've got enough room to put like shoes, another layer, other stuff on the bottom. And since it's summertime, we would not want to forget that it's got this nice zip pocket right here. That's great if you're at the pool or the beach. You can put a card, cash, keys in there, keep it up and away from like all the wet stuff, all the sandy stuff. The tote bag is really kind of like the do-it-all utilitarian bag. So don't forget about that one when you're thinking about like weekend travel, something like that. Kind of wrapping it up, the tour duffel. So I think the first thing that's important to realize, this is designed to fit into like some hard cases like Pelican, Nanook, things like that. So if you're flying somewhere, you can go out with it in the bag and you pick some stuff up. When you bring it back, this is carry-on compliant. You've got some carry options. You can use the shoulder strap that's on our site that works with a bunch of different bags, like the tote we just looked at, or you could actually thread in some optional, really nice leather backpack straps. You've got these external pockets that are hourglass shaped, so stuff stays in it even when you're like moving to the airport or moving it from vehicle to wherever you're staying. Leather grip up here pops off. You got a big, wide double zipper similar to the Ready Pack. And when it comes to packing cubes, there's a little bit of wiggle room here. It depends on how you pack, but seriously, you can probably get 4 of our 12x12s, which are 4 inches thick. They come in a bunch of different colors, but you could probably even get more like 6 of these 10x10s. And then we do have another 12x12 in here. And just for reference, here's the 2-sided travel organizer. I really like that especially with the 10x10, 2 different options there. You can put a jacket on top, you can put shoes underneath it, and on the inside of this bag, you have got Velcro strips along the side that work with our Velcro pouches. I usually keep like toiletries and some electronic stuff in there. So no matter what bag we're taking when we're out on the road traveling, whether it be the trail or like a road trip with the family, I really enjoy using packing cubes because it really helps kind of like segment by type of clothes, by outfit, even by person if we're putting like everybody's stuff in one big bag. So we've got a couple of different options. So starting out with the 10x10, This is probably my choice. You've got webbing handle on the back, a place where you can clip these into your bags, even like daisy chain them together. But again, 10 by 10 mesh front. For me, this works really well for like a full day's outfit because my system is like clean clothes go on, dirty clothes go off, keep them in here. So it keeps your bag from kind of becoming a wreck really quickly. Kind of a step up from this, which I use for like layers and even kind of integrate this into some other kits, is a two-sided one. So it's a 10 by 10, but it's two of these together. One side is 4 inches wide, the other's 2. I've got like a couple of different clothes in here and then a light jacket on this side. It's just kind of nice all in one package. Honestly, for an overnight trip, I can get everything in one of these and just throw it in like a ready pack or whatever. And this one actually has got a spot for Velcro, so you can add an ID panel, letting you know what's in there, whose clothes it belongs to, the type of clothes. And then going up to the big guy, this is a 12 by 12. Again, you've got a spot for an ID panel here, same features on the back as the 10 by 10, but instead of being 10 by 10 by 2, 12 by 12 by 4, so you can really throw a lot of stuff in here, or if you're taking like a winter trip and you've got a bunch of layers, these are super handy. All these work really well on the tote bag, the two-sided travel organizer, and the 10 by 10 works really well on the ready pack, and then they all work really well on the tour duffel, just kind of depending on how you're packing, you know, the style of how you want to keep stuff subdivided and all of that. One thing that all of these bags share, that's also in common with the rest of the Blue Ridge Overland Gear line, is they're made right here in Virginia out of materials you can trust from companies like X-Pac, Cordura, and a bunch of other good vendors. If you ever do need a warranty, let's say a piece of hardware fails or you need a repair or replacement, just reach out and we'll get it taken care of as soon as possible. You can find this and more great travel gear no matter where your adventure may take you at BlueRidgeOverlandGear.com.